Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today we will continue with the second part of our tour plan for Meghalaya. Today we will be going to Shillong. Shillong is a hill station in northeast India and capital of the state of Meghalaya. It's known for the manicured gardens at Lady Hyderabad Park. Nearby Ward Lake is surrounded by walking trails. North, the Don Bosco Center for Indigenous Cultures features display on the region's native people. Shillong is encircled by pine trees and home of numerous waterfalls. Shillong is also famous as the music capital of India, as many prominent musicians have hailed from this place. So day 2, journey starts for Shillong. You can reach Shillong from Guwahati by shared or private cab. Share cab will cost 250 to 300 rupees and private cab 2000 to 2500 rupees. It will take 2 to 2.5 hours to reach Shillong. Once you reach, check into your hotel, get fresh and start for Shillong sightseeing. Hire a cab which will cost around 1500 rupees. Start your sightseeing by 9 or 10 am so that you can cover all the points on the same day. Start with Shillong Viewpoint. This is the highest point in Meghalaya. You can seek for a telescope from the locals for a closer glimpse of the view. The peak offers an enchanting 360-degree view of the entire Shillong peak. Surrounding waterfalls, the Himalayan range, lush greenery nearby. It's placed at an altitude of 1965 meters. Opening hours are 9 am to 9:30 pm and entry fee is 30 rupees per person. Then visit the Elephanta Falls. It's the most popular destination of Shillong, named after an elephant-like stone at its foot. It's a 3-layer of falls accessible to the layman from different vantage points. It's located 12 km away from Shillong. The name originated in the British era when a man spotted giant rock look like elephant near the falls. Opening hours are 10 am to 6 pm. Then visit the Don Bosco Museum. This museum is hailed as Asia's largest museum. It houses beautiful culture and tradition of Northeast India. The museum is more an institution with its own research publications, newsletters and cultural calendar. With its 7-story, it rises into the skyline of Shillong and flaunts 16 laid out galleries. Opening hours are 9 am to 4:30 pm. Entry fee is 100 rupees per adult and 200 rupees for foreigners. Then visit the Air Force Museum, an attraction for both adults and as well as children. Air Force Museum, Shillong is a great place to get knowledge about the country's defense forces, mainly the Indian Air Force, brave flying warriors and defense history, located in the upper Shillong area. This museum has pictures of Indo-China War. Opening hours are 9 am to 5 pm. Entry fee is 20 rupees per person. Then visit the Umiam Lake. It's a mesmerizing man-made reservoir located at 15 km from Shillong. The scenic Umiam Lake was formed after dam was constructed to generate hydroelectric power. The lake is encircled by lush green East Khashi Hills that form one of the best panoramic view. You can do paddle boat, kayaking and other activities there. Cost of activities given in the screen. Opening hours are 9 am to 5 pm. Then visit the Wards Lake. This is an artificial lake surrounded by a prolific green garden, a major tourist attraction around which the entire city has been planned. It's a horseshoe-shaped lake, a great picnic spot. In the middle of the lake, a small bridge created to enable the visitors to have proper view of the lake. Opening hours are 8:30 am to 5:30 pm. Entry fee is 10 rupees per person. Then visit the Lady Hyderabad Park, one of the most famous tourist spot of Shillong. The park is dedicated to the First Lady of the province, Lady Hyderabad. The sprawling park encompasses a wide variety of flora along with a cute mini zoo housing 73 species of birds and over 100 reptiles. There is a small lake where one can find ducks and colorful fishes. Opening hours are 8 am to 5 pm. Entry fee is 10 rupees per person. Then visit the Cathedral of Maryhill. The cathedral is a prominent religious place in Shillong, famous for its unique and striking architecture. Perched at the top of a hill, this church delivers a feeling of serenity along with spirituality. The church is beautiful blue in color and has 2 levels with 14 stations of Holy Cross inside. Opening hours are 7 am to 6:30 pm. Then visit Laitlam Canyons, which is perched on the East Khashi Hills. It's a great trek destination. It's 21 km from Shillong. Literally translating to end of hills, this exotic viewing site offers the best view of the whole Meghalaya. The best time to visit this place is either at sunrise or sunset. Opening hours are 6 am to 5 pm. Then visit the famous Police Bazaar of Shillong. This is the main market of Shillong. You can buy clothes, souvenir, local stuff and more items. This place is considered as the heart of the city. So if you visit Shillong, don't miss this place. After those sightseeing, overnight stay at your hotel. This is how your day 2 trip will end here. I have mentioned few good hotels below in the description box. Next day we will be heading towards Cherrapunji. Part 3 for Cherrapunji and Dauki coming in the next video. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.